Dear friends, welcome. Welcome in pharmaceutical chemistry too. Today we are deals with analeptic drugs. Myself, Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gauri, lecturer in KK Wag Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori. The drug which increases the activity of various subunits or parts of central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, are called CNS stimulant. In CNS, there are collection of cells which perform certain definite functions and are called centers. For example, respiratory center, vomiting center, heat regulating center, appetite controlling centers. The CNS stimulants are not much value therapeutically because excitation is far short period and is always followed by depression and there is a lack of selectivity of action. The some drug shows strong CNS stimulant effect and produce toxic effects in slight higher dose, for example strychnine and nicotinamide. Other type of drug shows mild CNS stimulant effect as a side effect. For example, local anesthetic, for example, cocaine, sympathomimetic, dexamphetamine, and parasympatholytic, that is atropine. CNS stimulant mainly used clinically as analeptics and respiratory stimulant. They are also useful to increase mental alertness and produce a wakefulness condition to control appetite through stimulant effect. Now we see classification of analeptics. CNS stimulant can also be classified into naturally occurring drugs. For example, alkaloids. It is also divided into xanthine derivative. For example, caffeine, theophylline, and theobromine. And other alkaloids, for example, strychnine and lobeline. Second class synthetic drugs, for example nicotinamide. It is also called pyridine derivative and picrotoxin. Next class miscellaneous drug, for example cocaine, local anesthetic, dexamphetamine, sympathomimetic, and atropine, anticholinergic. Analeptics are CNS stimulants which are used to reduce narcosis produced by CNS depressant. These drugs also act as respiratory stimulant and thus are used to counteract drug-inducing respiratory depression. In large dose, they use convulsion. It is better to use them to overcome depression produced by drugs. Now we see first drug, caffeine. This is the structure of caffeine. It is 137 trimethyl xanthine. Xanthine as a parent structure. Source: it is obtained cheaply from tea waste or coffee, or from the dried leaves of Camellia sinensis, or it is obtained by synthesis. Chemistry: it is a xanthine derivative and contains purine heterocycle. Chemically, purine is a bibasic heterocyclic in which imidazole ring is present at 4 and 5 position, is fused with D bond of pyrimidine. This is the pyrimidine ring and this is imidazole and this is purine. Imidazole ring is fused with pyrimidine at 4 and 5 position to form purine. Its chemical name is imidazole 4,5-D pyrimidine. Xanthine is 2,6-dihydroxypurine, that is lactine form. This is the structure of lactine form, that is enol form, and this is lactone, that is keto form. Caffeine contains 3 methyl group at 1, 3 and 7 position of xanthine. Thus it is 1,3,7 trimethyl xanthine. Physical property, it occurs as white crystalline powder or silky white crystals. It is odorless and has bitter taste. When caffeine is recrystallized from water, it contains one molecule of water of crystallization, and it is sparingly soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Chemical property, when its solution is heated with few drops of saturated tannic acid solution, a precipitate is produced which dissolves in excess of reagents. When few drops of iodine solution is heated, added to its solution, a clear solution is obtained which on acidifying with dilute hydrochloric acid gives brown precipitate. It is very weak base and hence it is decomposed by strongly alkali, and it does not form stable salt even with strong acid. The salts are hydrolyzed by water. The solubility of caffeine in water is increases by presence of organic acids and their salts, for example citrate, benzoate and salicylate. For example, caffeine citrate, it is the mixture of 1:1 mixture of caffeine and anhydrous citric acid. Stability and storage, it is decomposed by a strong solution of caustic alkali and its salts are decomposed by water, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Label should bear whether it is anhydrous or monohydrous. Uses, it is a CNS stimulant and hence it is used to produce a state of awakeness, to enhance mental activity, to get relief from fatigue and mild depression, to cause insomnia in moderate doses. It has weak diuretic activity. In combination with ergotamines, it is used to get relief from migraine, and it is generally given in combination with aspirin or codeine for analgesic activity, and it also stimulates respiratory centers. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in aspirin and caffeine tablet, caffeine and sodium benzoate injection, caffeine iodide elixir, caffeine citrate tablet. Brand names Anacin, Coldarin and Paurin. Next drug is theophylline. It is an alkaloid. It is 1,3-dimethylxanthine and it is isomeric with thiobromine. Physical property, it is white crystalline powder, almost odorless and has bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water but soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. In order to increase solubility of thiophyllene, its ethylene diamine salt is prepared, which is named as aminophyllene. It contains 78 to 84% theophylline, about 13% ethylene diamine, and variable amount of water. It is better absorbed than thiophyllene itself. Chemical property, when theophylline is treated with silver nitrate, it is converted into silver thiophyllene with the liberation of nitric acid. This is the reaction showing formation of silver thiophyllene and liberation of nitric acid. Stability and storage, theophylline is stored in well-closed container. Aminophyllene absorbs carbon dioxide with the liberation of theophylline and it is affected by light. Hence it is stored in well-filled, tightly closed, light-resistant container. The contact with metal should be avoided. Uses, it is a potent bronchodilator and hence it is used to control acute and chronic asthma, to treat chronic obstructive lung disease, to control acute bronchospasm. It has also diuretic action. It has a slight stimulant action on cerebrum. It is used as a respiratory stimulant in neonatal apnea. It is also cardiac stimulant and used to treat left ventricular failure. Theophylline suppository are preferred to the tablet over because Orally, it may cause gastric irritation, nausea, and vomiting. It is more readily absorbed rectally. Sometimes choline theophylline is used to prevent gastric irritation. Pharmaceutical formulation: aminophylline injection, aminophylline suppository, aminophylline tablet, Mersalil and theophylline injection. Brand name: Astamagen, Bronchosma, and Minophylline. Next drug is coramine, which is also called nicotinamide. This is the structure of coramine. It is N-diethyl pyridine 3-carboxamide. Physical property: it occurs as colorless or slightly yellow oil liquid or crystalline mass. It has faint aromatic odor and slightly bitter taste. Then causes burning sensation and leaves faint warm sensation on tongue. It is miscible with water, alcohol, and ether. Chemical property: when it is heated with sodium hydroxide solution, it is decomposed to give diethylamine. This is the chemical reaction showing formation of diethylamine with sodium benzoate. When it is heated strongly with sodium carbonate, it gives an odor of pyridine. Stability and storage: it is affected by light and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used as respiratory stimulant. It is weak analeptic and hence it is used to overcome CNS depression, respiratory depression, and circulatory failure. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in nicotinamide injection. Brand name: coramine and Nicotinamide. Next drug is dexamphetamine. It is also called dextroamphetamine. It is the dextro isomer of amphetamine. Property: it is official as sulfate salt, which is a white crystalline powder. It is almost odorless and has saline and slightly bitter taste. It is soluble in water. It is dextrorotatory and is 3 to 4 times more potent than levoisomers. Stability and storage: it is affected by light, hence it is stored in well-closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is indirect acting sympathomimetic with strong CNS stimulant action. It is used to treat narcolepsy, attention deficit disorder in children, and exogenous obesity as it has anorexiant effect. Thank you so much for watching this video.